マイクテスト。Hello, I am Hara myself. This is a video taken around 2021 at the Nasu Classic Car Museum in Nasu, Shiobara City, Tochigi Prefecture. I had heard as a car called the Ferrari Dino 206 that I wanted to see what's kept here, but I couldn't find it anywhere. However, the inside of the museum is very, very beautiful. I would like to introduce you. Yay! Okay, let's go. This is the entrance. There are old bike there. It looks like a British bike from the 1930s. It's a Versete. Displacement is 248cc. Single cylinder. 2-stroke. That's cool. There is an old gasoline machine in the back. Okay. Next. A sexy doll is sitting. There's a nice atmosphere inside. I would like to sit next to the dolls. But basically you are not allowed to touch anything inside this museum. Oh, flower. Nasu Classic Museum. Wow. Hello. It's very retro. Oh. Don't walk. Don't walk. Mercedes-Benz, father of gasoline car. Very good. Green, Benz mark. What? Oh! Okay. I see. Monaco, 1962. Nice retro poster. There is also a game corner with nostalgic racing games. There was also Williams pinball. It was in pretty good condition. Interesting. As you can see, it is a place where you can find a lot of things from old classic car to historical materials. Everyone, please take advantage of your holiday and come visit us. There is also a cafe, so you can spend a relaxed day here.